Layered drinks work because different liquids have different densities, so if you pour them in the right order and pour slowly, they will stack instead of mixing, giving you those pretty colored bands in the cup. Think of it like stacking books by weight instead of size. The heaviest liquid, usually something with lots of sugar like grenadine or a thick syrup, goes in first because it sinks and holds the bottom layer steady. Then you add your middle liquid, which is medium weight, like a juice or a flavored soda. The trick most people do not know is to pour each new layer over the back of a spoon, or slowly down a straw held against the inside of the cup so it glides in gently instead of crashing down and blending with the layer below. Cold temperature also helps liquids stay separated longer, so keeping your syrups and juices chilled before pouring makes your layers hold their shape much better and last longer for photos before they naturally blend. One common mistake is pouring too fast, which breaks the surface tension and mixes everything into a muddy color, so always pour low and slow right at the surface of the drink. Another mistake is guessing at sugar content instead of actually knowing it, so keep a simple density cheat sheet behind your stand ranking your syrups and juices from heaviest to lightest. That way you are not guessing under pressure with a line of customers. Lastly, cups that are not clear or are too small make layers hard to see. So use tall, clear cups whenever possible to really show off the effect and make people want to order one too. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.